Why do we have seasons? Is it because we're closer to the sun in summer? Not quite. In this episode of Nature Explained, we uncover the real reason behind Earth's changing seasons, explore solstices and equinoxes, and see how this cosmic dance affects life across the globe. Have you ever wondered how it can be winter in one part of the world and summer in another, at the exact same time? It's not magic, it's science, and it's one of the coolest things about Earth. The secret lies in how our planet moves through space. Picture Earth as a spinning top, but with a special tilt. This tilt is the reason for our hot summers and chilly winters. It's why flowers bloom in spring and leaves fall in autumn. Our planet's tilt creates a beautiful, predictable dance that affects every living thing. So why is your summer vacation someone else's winter break? It all comes down to sunlight, angles, and Earth's year-long journey around the sun. Understanding seasons gives us a backstage pass to how our planet works. Earth spins on its axis, giving us day and night, and orbits the sun, giving us our year. These movements, plus the tilt, create the rhythm we call the seasons. Ready to become a season expert? Let's dive in. So, what are seasons? They're divisions of the year marked by changes in weather and daylight, all thanks to Earth's position relative to the sun. Think of them as chapters in a year-long story. In many places we experience 4 spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each brings its own weather, daylight, and changes to the world. Spring is the season of new beginnings. Flowers bloom, days get longer, and animals are born. Summer is the warmest, with long sunny days perfect for growth and adventure. Autumn is a time of transition. Leaves change color, days shorten, and it's harvest time. Winter brings the shortest days and coldest temperatures, a time for rest and conservation. These 4 seasons follow a reliable, repeating pattern. Spring leads to summer, summer to autumn, autumn to winter, and winter back to spring. This cycle drives ecosystems everywhere. It's not just about what you wear, it's about how life on Earth survives and thrives. Plants and animals time their growth, reproduction, and migrations to the seasons. The seasons are nature's clock, keeping life in sync. This rhythm shapes everything from forests to farms. It's a beautiful, essential pattern for life on Earth. The real star behind the seasons? Earth's tilt. Imagine a line running through Earth from pole to pole, our axis. Earth spins on this axis, but it's tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the key to why we have seasons. As Earth orbits the sun, the tilt stays pointed in the same direction toward the North Star. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it gets more direct sunlight, summer. At the same time, the southern hemisphere tilts away, getting less direct sunlight, winter. 6 months later, the roles reverse. It's not about distance from the sun, but the angle of sunlight. Direct rays mean more heat, summer. Indirect rays mean less heat, winter. Spring and autumn happen when neither hemisphere is tilted toward or away from the sun. This simple tilt orchestrates the changing seasons across the globe. It's an elegant system that shapes our world. Earth's tilt is the conductor of our seasonal symphony. Now let's talk about Earth's orbit. Earth travels around the sun in about 365 days, a year. Its path is an ellipse, not a perfect circle. Some think we have summer when we're closer to the sun, but that's a myth. In fact, Earth is closest to the sun in January, mid-winter for the northern hemisphere. The real cause of seasons is the tilt, not distance. As Earth orbits, the tilt means different parts of the planet get more or less sunlight at different times. For half the year, the northern hemisphere leans in. For the other half, the southern hemisphere does. The orbit is the track, but the tilt decides which part gets the most sun. It's a year-long dance between our planet's tilt and its path around the sun. 4 special days mark the start of each season: the solstices and equinoxes. Solstices happen when Earth's tilt is at its most extreme toward or away from the sun. The summer solstice, around June 21st, is the longest day in the northern hemisphere. The winter solstice, around December 21st, is the shortest day. In the southern hemisphere, these are reversed. Solstices are days of extremes, most or least daylight. Equinoxes, around March 20th and September 22nd, are days when day and night are nearly equal everywhere. On these days, neither hemisphere tilts toward the sun. The spring, vernal equinox signals spring in the north, autumn in the south. The autumnal equinox marks autumn in the north, spring in the south. These astronomical events have been celebrated for thousands of years. They're the turning points in Earth's seasonal cycle. The solstices and equinoxes are nature's calendar. Not every place on Earth experiences 4 seasons the same way. In temperate zones, you get the classic spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Near the equator, it's different. Temperatures stay warm all year, and seasons are defined by rainfall, wet, and dry. At the poles, the tilt creates months of daylight in summer and months of darkness in winter. Polar regions have seasons of light and dark, not just warm and cold. Your experience of seasons depends on your latitude. Temperate zones have 4 seasons, the tropics have wet and dry, and the poles have extremes of light and dark. This diversity is all thanks to Earth's tilt. It creates a rich tapestry of climates and environments across the globe. The changing seasons are nature's clock, guiding life on Earth. Plants sprout in spring, grow in summer, and shed leaves in autumn to prepare for winter. Animals time their migrations, hibernations, and breeding to the seasons. Birds and butterflies travel thousands of miles as seasons change. Bears and bats hibernate to survive winter's scarcity. Squirrels gather food in autumn to last through the cold. Even ocean life follows the seasonal rhythm. Spring sunlight triggers plankton blooms, feeding everything from shrimp to whales. The seasons drive ocean currents and animal migrations. From forests to oceans, life is tuned to Earth's seasonal beat. The cycle of seasons shapes every ecosystem. It's a powerful force connecting all living things. Humans have always lived by the rhythm of the seasons. Our survival, traditions, and cultures are deeply tied to this annual cycle. Farming depends on knowing when to plant, grow, and harvest. Festivals like Thanksgiving and the Mid-Autumn Festival celebrate the harvest. Spring festivals mark new beginnings. The seasons influence what we wear, eat, and do. Artists, poets, and musicians have drawn inspiration from the changing seasons for centuries. Even today, the seasons affect our mood and well-being. Despite technology, we're still connected to Earth's tilt and orbit. The seasons remind us of our place in the natural world. So, the mystery of the seasons is solved. It's not about distance from the sun, it's all about Earth's 23.5-degree tilt. This tilt, plus our orbit, creates the changing seasons. It's why you can have a snowball fight while someone else is at the beach. The tilt shapes weather, life, and even human culture. From polar daylight to tropical rains, Earth's tilt paints a unique picture everywhere. The seasons drive migrations, hibernations, and harvests. They inspire art, festivals, and our understanding of the world. Next time you feel a warm breeze or see falling snow, remember the cosmic dance behind it all. Picture Earth, tilted and spinning, making its journey around the sun. The seasons are more than weather, they're our planet's story. Understanding them makes life here even more magical. Consider it explained. From blooming flowers in spring to snowy landscapes in winter, the changing seasons remind us of nature's rhythm. All thanks for Earth's perfect tilt and cosmic choreography. If you enjoyed this explanation, give this video a like. Put your things in the comments and subscribe for more wonders of our world, only on Earth and Beyond.